Oh, you already eating. What's going on, man?
What's up, what's up, what's up?
All right. That's all you get, bro?
Yeah.
All right. $5, bro.
I already gave you the money, fool.
Say what?
I gave you the money.
You gave me the money?
Yeah.
What money you gave me, bro?
I just gave you some one, fool.
Bro, you ain't give me no money, bro. What you talking about?
Man, you better go look at your camera, fool.
Exactly. That's what I'm gonna look at right now. You ain't give me no money.
Listen, man.
Bro, I don't know if you dropped your money or what you did with your money, but you ain't give me no money, bro.
No, bro.
You had already opened the stuff up?
No, bro. You tripping, bro. Like, listen, fool. Like, what you gonna do with my money?
Bro, you ain't give me no money. I ain't even
Man,
opened my
listen,
register
I
yet,
just gave you
fool.
my money, fool.
Bro, you did not give
Go
me no
look at the
money.
camera before I put the money right here, cuz.
Where it's at?
Man, go look at the camera.
Oh my God, now
You know
I gotta
what?
rewind the camera.
You know what?
You ain't dropped that shit somewhere? Cause he ain't give me no money, bro. He did not give me no money.
Man, let me see that. Maybe sit in the car, bro.
Yeah, go see in the car. I'm gonna keep this here cause you already opened that.
No,